Sometimes the damage you carry isn't visible. It doesn't bleed, it doesn't bruise, but it changes everything inside your mind. Trauma doesn't destroy you in one single moment. It happens slowly, quietly, like water dripping over a stone, reshaping it with time. When the brain experiences trauma, it switches into survival mode. The amygdala, your brain's alarm system, starts ringing all the time, even when there's no danger. You start feeling unsafe, even in safe places. Anxiety becomes a background noise you can't turn off. The hippocampus, the part that helps you store and organize memories, shrinks under stress. You begin to forget things, lose track of time, and sometimes it feels like your memories don't belong to you anymore. Then there's the prefrontal cortex, the rational, calm part of your mind. When trauma stays too long, it gets weaker. That's why small things trigger big reactions. You may overthink everything, feel guilty for no reason, and struggle to make decisions that once felt easy. You might start feeling detached from people, from joy, even from yourself. That's dissociation. It's your mind's way of protecting you by disconnecting you from what hurts. But the same wall that blocks pain also blocks happiness. Visuals: a person's silhouette inside a glass bubble, hands pressed against it. Over time, you stop recognizing who you are. Your sleep changes, your focus fades, your emotions swing between too much and nothing at all. And slowly, you realize the trauma didn't just change how you feel, it changed how your brain works. But here's something you must remember: your brain can heal. It's not easy, and it doesn't happen overnight. But the same brain that learned fear can also learn safety again. Through patience, therapy, self-compassion, and gentle consistency, the brain can rebuild what was once broken. Neural pathways can grow back, calm can return, and you can come back home to yourself. So if you feel like trauma has taken over your mind, breathe. You are not weak. You are surviving something your brain wasn't built to handle alone. And yet, here you are, still trying, still healing, still alive. That's not destruction. That's resilience.